Hey folks, this is Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And right now I want to tell you why condos are the absolute worst investment when it comes to real estate. Now, the biggest problem that I have with condos is that you have responsibility but limited authority. The condo association, which is board members, are making decisions that affect all owners. So if they choose to hire a landscaper that has bad quality and bad pricing, you can't directly control that. You would have to vote and bring it up at a meeting and send a letter and all of this nonsense. Now magnify that. Sometimes condos perform assessments. So they say every condo needs a new roof and we're hiring this vendor. They can do that. You pretty much sign away part of your authority and part of your decision making when you buy this condo. And that's a big problem because if you're in charge of your investments like I am, you are 100% ready and willing to respond. But when you have a condo, you relinquish that. So you only have partial control. You control what goes on inside your condo, but outside is totally out of your control. Now, a second thing here is condos are singular units. So it's just like a single family, but worse, okay? You're attached to other single units. So if you have a problem with a neighbor to the left or to the right or above, you're dealing with a new owner and maybe they have a tenant. Who knows? So it's always a cat and mouse game, dealing with expenses, dealing with tenant problems, other owner problems, and just the overall picture is inefficient. And that's why condo associations hire property managers to come in and try to fix and salvage these disasters. But I'll tell you the truth, folks, we do not manage condo associations because they're a total nightmare. There's too many cooks in the kitchen and everybody has no idea what's going on. So stay away from a condo when it comes to an investment. Now, living there, that's a different story. You're still dealing with these problems, but you're in more control because you're actually there, and this is probably where you're going to be staying for a while. So it's a different situation compared to investors who are looking for a return, a percentage on their purchase. So once again, this is Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.